What a historic storm. Some spots in Louisiana picked up 8 to 12 inches of snow, and that was basically what we received here in Kentuckiana with that snowstorm earlier this month. So far for January, we have picked up 14.2 inches of snow in Louisville. January average for the entire month, 4.5 inches. So of course, we're well above that. And in fact, we have already surpassed our annual average of snowfall. We didn't get snow this week with that system, but we got the cold air. High temperatures both Monday and Tuesday topped out in the teens. Yesterday we stayed below freezing, and of course much of this month has been colder than normal. That's what you're seeing the blue days on the calendar here. The red days, the 2nd, the 17th and the 18th, we were above our climate normals, but that has been the minority rather than the majority of this month. Now your 7-day high temperature trend, we're back above freezing today, 36 degrees in Louisville. We do have a cold front that's going to move through later on. We have some flurries possible today with highs tomorrow a few degrees chillier as a result. But this weekend, we're back into the 40s, and we stay in the 40s to near 50 as we head throughout next week. Keep in mind, our average high for this time of year is 44 degrees in Louisville. Temperatures right now in the teens and 20s across the region. So of course, still chilly as you wake up and step out the door this morning, but a big improvement from the single digits above and below zero that we had yesterday. This chilly air, though, stretches all the way down to the Gulf. In fact, Louisville, we are slightly milder by a couple of degrees compared to Panama City Beach. It's 24 down there this morning, 25 in New Orleans and in Lake Charles as well. So still taking some time for some of that snow to melt, where the heaviest amounts did fall from that recent storm. That storm now far off into the Atlantic, much quieter down in the deep south. Do have some lake effect snow off to our north. And once again, we have the chance for some flurries later on today. Your hour-by-hour forecast, we're expecting partly sunny skies, starting off in the 20s, topping out in the 30s all across Kentuckiana. So once again, back above freezing, with some flurries likely primarily this afternoon and evening. As we head into tonight, these clouds will gradually decrease behind that cold front. Temperatures will dip back down into the teens, and then we have chilly sunshine on tap tomorrow with highs around that 30-degree mark. Now this weekend, expect some melting and refreezing here because you can see these overnight lows still staying chilly, but highs Saturday and Sunday in the 40s. And that slight chance for a rain snow mix that we were watching Sunday into Monday, that has continued to trend southward. So it's looking drier for us, which is good news. And that means we can enjoy more of those 40s and even a 50-degree high as we head into next week, with conditions looking to stay dry for now.